my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to multiply numbers correctly. And at the same time, you will hear B-words in my video. Those who don't know me, I am Lucas Ramos. We will do multitasking here and I am so excited to do this. Are you ready to do our multiplication? Come on and let's have fun. I have here an example. 4 times 3. Here, 3 groups of apples. 1, 2, 3. Each group has 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second group, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count all the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer to 4 times 3 equals 12. Did you get it right or wrong? If not, let's do another one. I have here another example. 5 times 4. Let's find the answer. So we have here 4 groups of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group has 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the third group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count all the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer to 4 times 5 equals to 20. Guys, always remember that multiplication is a repeated addition. And also, you must double check your answer before you give it to your teacher. I hope you learned something from me. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Hi!